What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. You know the deal. I don't have to say anymore. Let's check out what's going on. Behind me, we have an awesome 23 Super Stock Challenger. We'll be doing a couple things on this. Paint protection film for the front, as well as the hood, roof, and then the trunk. Customer wants to get that protected with PPF, as well as do a ceramic coating on the entire thing. And we did our XR Plus tint on this to give him the most heat rejection. PPF is going to be up next. We'll get that taken care of, and then the coating will be shortly after. All right, guys, we have this beautiful 23 Last Call Scat Pack Challenger for our friend Samantha. This is the full wrap of the week. Doing a full wrap on this in our 8mm film, but we'll be doing our new premium 8-year warranty coating on this after the fact. Already tinted and looking great. Max is just doing his touch-up on this. That way, once that's done, it can roll onto ceramic and get moving. All right, guys, we have a Model 3 here. Did some work to it a couple weeks ago. Coating, paint protection film. We're having it here now for a 2-week wash, so we can inspect everything, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to, as well as just get it generally cleaned up for the customer. We got T hard at work on this Continental, what is this, town car?
Yeah, town car.
Lincoln Town Car, that's what that is. Can't say I'm good with my Lincolns, but T's hard at work doing tint on this, and we're getting things taken care of for him. One window at a time. A lot of action going on this week. Got all kind of coatings here. This X5 here was in for some paint protection film on various pieces. Did some tint to it as well, and we're finishing up with the ceramic coating for the rest of it. Patrick's hard at work here, getting things taken care of. In front of it is a black 22 TRX. This is in the midst of getting taken care of. Required a correction. That way we can have as clean of a surface as possible prior to the coating process. And that's what we're in the middle of now. Getting there. And next to it on the other side, we have once again another coating. This customer elected to go with our 8-year premium coating from Expel. And we also tinted the fronts with our XR line of film to give it the closest factory match. And then there's that. As I mentioned, boss got a new truck. We're doing a stealth wrap on it. It's coming along, almost done, and looking pretty clean. I dig it. Caleb hustling hard, working towards finishing this annual checkup. It's 2020 Hellraisin Challenger, and it's looking good. Shining like a dream. Customer said he wanted to take care of it even more so now that 23 will be the last year for the V8, so definitely a good thing to do. We got 2 more things going on in the shop. This Subaru here was in to get the paint protection film applied to the front bumper as well as the accent pieces here. That's coming along. Looks like they just finished the general install. Going to let it dry for a little bit. And then that takes me to this. This is second full wrap of the week. We are doing a full stealth wrap on this M4 BMW that is black. As you can see, the stealth greatly accentuates any kind of body lines, curves, things that would normally be overlooked with a gloss option. Jimmy's hard at work as well as the rest of the PPF team here getting this taken care of. After that's done, we'll do our ceramic coating for it to finish things up. As I mentioned, this is the last thing that we have going on for the shop here at the moment. Luke, what do you got going on?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia. We have a ton of cool stuff in the shop this week. Let's take a walk inside and check it out. Outside, we have this Roush F-150. This was in about 2 weeks ago for a track package and ceramic coating. It's back in the shop today for its 2-week checkup. Next to the Roush, we have 2 other completed vehicles. On the right, we have a brand new Hyundai Tucson. This was in for our full front paint protection film package. And next to that is a Kia K5. This was in for our Prime XR 15% on all the side windows and the back window. Next up for window tint is this 2019 Dodge Charger. We're gonna black this thing out with our XPEL Prime CS 5% window tint. Here we have a 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid. This was in the shop a year ago for a full wrap and coating, and it's back in now for its annual maintenance checkup. Next up for PPF is this 2023 Tesla Model S. This is getting our full front paint protection film package. We're gonna be tinting all of the side windows and the back window in our XPEL Prime XR 20% tint. And once that is complete, we'll be topping off the entire vehicle with our Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here is the new F-150. This one from our friends at St. Barnabas Auto. We're going to be tinting all the side windows, back window, and windshield visor in our Prime CS 5% tint. We have a new vehicle on the platform in the showroom. This is the 488. It's been here for a few weeks, and the project is finally complete. We got the entire vehicle wrapped in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film, re-tinted the 2 front windows because of a scratch in the tint, and coated the entire vehicle in XPEL Fusion Plus. The coolest vehicle of the week, at least in my opinion, is this 2021 Ford GT. We did a full wrap on this thing in LATROBE a year ago, and it's back in today for its maintenance checkup to check out all the paint protection film and the ceramic coating. One of the coolest things about this vehicle was the wheels. They are all carbon fiber. You can see the entire thing, even the barrel. Sometimes you'll see vehicles that have the carbon face, but the barrel is not. But this here is full carbon fiber. Really, really cool setup on this vehicle. Here we have a completed ceramic coating. This one, a 2016 BMW X5M. Mark polished out all this black paint to rid it of any kind of imperfections, and then coated the entire vehicle in XPEL Fusion Plus. In the correction and coating area, we have Mark doing his thing on this Mini Cooper. This is in for a full body paint correction from our friends at Jeff Lutz Race Cars. In the tint bay, we have Ian working on this 2015 Nissan Sentra. This one getting our Prime XR 20% on the side windows and the back window. This customer came to us from the St. Barnabas charity auction. So we raffled off a free tint job at their event, and this is the winner. So congratulations. In the back, we have two full wraps. The first full wrap of the week is this 2023 Audi Q8 e-tron. This is in for a full body Ultimate Plus paint protection film, along with a full tint job and a full ceramic coating. So it's getting the works here. You can see it's a very, very unique vehicle. The wheels are also really cool. I know I'm a big wheel guy here, but I just love the design that Audi did here. So very cool vehicle. Next up for a full front is this brand new Raptor. This is in for the entire front of the vehicle. We got the lower bumper, the upper bumper, the hood, fenders, and mirrors, and our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We're also going to be tinting the entire windshield in our Prime XR 70% tint, not to darken the window, but to help block out heat and UV rays. Last but not least is this brand new Rivian R1S. As you can see, this is a stealth conversion. So what this is paint protection film that gives the vehicle a satin finish. So you can see in the door jamb here, the vehicle's factory paint color is a glossy finish. And now that the stealth wrap is complete, the vehicle is now the same color, but now a satin finish. It's next up for a ceramic coating once that's all said and done, along with the two front windows and 20% to make everything look even. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it to Nate in Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we've got in the shop this week. Here in the tint bay, we have a 2020 BMW X3, beginning our full XR sides, as well as the XR Plus on the sunroof and windshield. Here in the PPF bay, we have a 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. It's getting a full paint protection film wrap done this week, as well as the XR Plus ceramic tint all around. So he's protected from the sun and those rock chips. Outside, we have a 2023 Tesla Model Y getting prepped for the full front clip paint protection film, as well as XR fronts and XR Plus ceramic on the windshield. Outside, we have a 2023 Porsche 911 Turbo S, got full XR Plus ceramic tint all around. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
Today I'm out in the field working on this house in Indiana. It got our favorite film line, Clearview Plus 55, to cut down on the heat as much as possible, but also to only slightly tint the glass. This is a film line we use from completely clear down to 20%, and more customers choose it than anything else that we have to offer. We'll see you next week.